Hello everyone, I hope you're having a great week back so far with our professional learning for CISD. For those of you who do not know me, my name is Angie Brooks Applegate and I'm the Assistant Superintendent of Curriculum Instruction here in Coppell ISD. And I'm here to talk to you just a little bit today before we have our professional learning on our platform of Bulb, just a little bit about digital portfolios and kind of our journey so far with the why behind why we decided to go with Bulb. During the 2017-2018 school year, we had a group of educators as well as administrators that had gotten together in order to talk about digital portfolios, what was the purpose, what could we do with them with learners, and we've had a lot of campuses that are also exploring already and have already been implementing somewhat different types of portfolios for their learners for several years now. Well, we landed on Bulb as the platform for CISD, so we are now very, very excited to say that we will have a digital portfolio platform that will extend all the way kindergarten through 12th grade for our learners, which is the first time in the 18 years that I've been in this district having something that will be able to have that evidence of learning all the way throughout. So, very, very excited about that. So I just wanted to tell you kind of a little bit more about the why and some of those big ideas that we came up with as a committee. One of the first pieces right here really ties to our strategic design work that has been done all this last year and will continue on into this year. And one of those elements within the strategic design really focuses on redefining learner success, looking at our kids and understanding that they are not just a number or a grade, really looking at what they are doing, who they are as a whole child, and also that evidence of learning that could be collected all the way throughout their year as well as their years in CISD. A lot of that has to do with evidence of learning, looking not only at a finalized product, but also that process that you could possibly capture within digital portfolios, thinking about pictures, thinking about any kind of text that you might add, but also that video connection and those final products that could be created. More examples will be showed today for that, so I'll save that for our trainers that are going to be going through that process in just a few moments with you. Another one of the areas for the why is really looking at those connections that can be made not only academically, but also social emotionally for our kids. We know that one of the biggest things that we can focus on, thinking about learner interest, passions, and talents, sometimes isn't necessarily captured in our typical traditional school environment at times when we're thinking just to focus on grades or academics. With the digital portfolio element right here, this is just one way, mind you there are many others, but this is a way that we could really look at how are we showing that that learner has individual experiences and how are they being able to showcase who they are as an individual. A final area right here that I'll touch on is thinking about how we're using this digital platform now to collaborate, to share our ideas, and also make those learning connections, once again, all the way elementary through secondary. One of the key elements of this digital portfolio platform is also if we have a student that ever moves from CISD or when they graduate, they will still have access to this platform for them to be able to use within their jobs, within their careers, as well as within college. So today, you're going to have a great time experiencing some of the professional learning that we will have for you. I do want you to know this is not just a one-shot, here you are, go out and work on digital portfolios with your kids. We will continue with the professional learning throughout the entire school year, so that way you'll have the opportunity to work with many of our digital learning coaches, our librarians, as well as many of our other staff that will be trained. Also, we will have some expectations going into this first year, and that'll be something that's shared here at the end of the presentation, but that is something that as we're going through the year, we will be working with you on as well, on just some of those pieces right here, talking about the templates and looking at some of the ease of use within the program, but also just know it'll be minimum expectations, but you are welcome to do so much more with the portfolios. I just wanted to do a quick shout out to all of our presenters from Bulb that have come in, as well as all of our educators that have been presenting so far this week, and our digital learning coaches and librarians that will be helping you through this Bulb training. Thank you so much, guys, and I am so excited about our journey that we're going to take with digital portfolios. I can't wait to see how CISD is going to implement this amazing new technology.